let's talk about the best car insurance companies this year for all categories. Okay, so here are the top insurers that I want you to really think about this year. Number one, you have Travelers, and if you're looking for a wonderful car insurance company, think about Travelers. I mean, Travelers is actually the best overall. Okay, and so you actually are paying if you are a good driver, expect to pay anywhere from $1,500 to $1,600 a year. Okay, so that's about 100 to $150 per month. Okay, and basically this travelers is really good in terms of customer service, but also their ability to repay claims real fast. Okay, so you have low rates, you have wide variety of coverage options, and decent digital experience. So if you are a Gen Z customer or you just love having a digital experience, basically Traveler is going to make you happy all the time. And Traveler's rates are well below the nationwide average for every driver profile that my team and I really analyzed. Okay, and its rates for drivers with a DUI conviction are the second cheapest, and rates for senior drivers ages 65 to 80 to 80 65 to 80 are the third cheapest of the companies we actually analyzed. So this is really fantastic. If you think about the travelers, what I want you to really focus on is the fact that you have a discount for hybrid or electric vehicles. You have rideshare insurance endorsement available for Lyft and Uber drivers. Very low level of car insurance, let's say complaints logged against travelers with state insurance departments. On the flip side, Travelers doesn't offer SR22 insurance. Received only a C grade from a repair specialist for its claim repair processes, and it's available only in 42 states. So they're not available nationally. But hey, listen, it is what it is. So they are actually they're not available in Alaska, Hawaii, Louisiana, Michigan, North Dakota, South Dakota, and West Virginia. So everywhere else they are available. They're available in 42 states and the District of Columbia. Another company I want you to really think about, best car insurance company this year, is Erie. And Erie is really good for claims handling. We love Erie a lot, okay? And average annual cost for good drivers, $1,800 all the way to $2,000, okay? And so Erie actually stands out for excelling in handling claims, and this is kind of cool. And so by claims, I'm talking about the high grades they received from auto body specialist for its collision repair claims process, and about 90%, actually not 80%, 90% of Erie customers actually who filed a claim were satisfied with the claims process. This is really good. That's really the highest claims satisfaction rate in our survey. We actually did a survey, and Erie's rates were consistently among the lowest for good drivers that we analyzed and those with black marks on their records, including speeding tickets and accidents. Okay, it also has low rates for teens, young adults, and seniors. So this is really good. And Erie's rate lock can lock in a great rate. It freezes your premium so it stays the same year after year, even if you file a claim. Your rates will only change if you make specific policy changes, such as adding a driver or vehicle. So this is really cool. And also, one thing I want you to really understand here is that Erase offers ride-sharing coverage for Uber and Lyft drivers. We have a great average discount of 10% for paying in full, and you have low level of auto insurance complaints made against Erie to state insurance departments. On the flip side, Erie is only available in 12 states, and that's one thing that we don't understand. Erie can really expand nationwide, but right now they're going gradually. So it's only available in 12 states, and its usage-based insurance program, Your Turn, doesn't offer a discount for safe driving, but rewards through gift cards to various retailers. Okay, so it is what it is. So they are only available in Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Maryland, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Virginia, West Virginia, and Wisconsin as of the date of this show. If you're looking for a great car insurance company this year, I want you to think about Nationwide. Nationwide is one of the OGs in the car insurance sector, so this was kind of cool. And so basically, if you think about Nationwide, think about the best rates for the general public. The average annual cost for good drivers is around 1,400, between 1,200 to 1,400. Okay, so that's about 100 to $150 a year. And so Nationwide offers a low rates for all driver types and age groups, basically because they have the experience. Okay, they've been doing it for a while, and so they have good data on their customers. And Nationwide has the cheapest rates available to the general public for good drivers and those who have poor credit or a speeding ticket and those who caused an accident with injury. It also has good rates for teens added to parents' policies and senior drivers ages 65 to 80. Beyond that, basically, Nationwide has a terrific lineup of coverage options to tailor a policy to your specific needs, such as, let's say, accident and minor violation forgiveness, new car replacement, and a vanishing deductible if you don't make claims. So this is kind of cool. And Nationwide's usage-based insurance program, Smart Ride, can further lower rates with sign-up discounts and potential savings of up to 40% at renewal. Can you imagine that? 40% at renewal if your driving scores very well. So make sure you keep your driving at very high levels, okay? So this is kind of cool. What are the pros and cons here? The pros: Nationwide offers gap insurance for a relatively good price of $34 a year. You have a low level of car insurance complaints made against Nationwide in state insurance state insurance regulators, and it has also a Spanish version of its website. So that's really good. On the flip side, rates for state minimum car insurance are slightly higher than the national coverage. It doesn't offer rideshare insurance, and it received also a mediocre C grade from Collision Repair Specialist for its claims procedures. So something to really think about. In terms of availability, Nationwide car insurance is available in 46 states and Washington, D.C. It is not available in Alaska, Hawaii, Louisiana, or Massachusetts. If you're looking for a great car insurance company this year, I want you to think about USAA. And USAA is really great for military members and veterans. Okay, this is one of the best insurance companies out there. The average annual cost for good drivers is around $1,400 to $1,500. And so basically, the good thing is you just got to be affiliated with the military, okay? And this institution, this company, stands out for its wide range of coverage options and discounts designed specifically for military members. For example, there is a 15% discount if you garage your car on a military base. Can you imagine it? That's really fantastic, really wonderful. And if you store your vehicle during deployment, you can save as much as 60%. Fantastic. And USAA has the cheapest rates in our analysis for good drivers, drivers who have caused an accident with injury or property damage, and drivers with speeding tickets, a DUI, or poor credit. And rates are also excellent for teens and young adult drivers, as well as senior drivers ages 65 to 80. USAA also has the lowest average rates for state minimum car insurance among the insurance companies we analyze. So that's really good. And you will really find robust coverage options from USAA. You have accident forgiveness. New car replacement and rideshare insurance are also available. You will get accident forgiveness for free if you go without causing an accident for 5 years. So USAA digital experience is only average in our analysis, okay? So its website lacks live chat and a helpful search function. But if you are able to get a quote and buy a policy there, this is totally fine, not a problem. What are the pros and cons here? You can provide SR22 filings. You only pay per mile insurance through Nobler, a USAA company. And also, eligibility is limited to veterans, active members of the military, and their immediate families. Okay. What about the flip side? Complaint level about USAA auto insurance is only about average. It doesn't offer a gap insurance unless your car loan is through a USAA, and it has a low grade D plus from collision repair specialist for its claim process. So something to really think about. In terms of states available in, USAA is available in all 50 states and the District of Columbia. So that's kind of cool. Nationwide coverage. You also have Geico. So everybody knows Geico, and Geico is a great car insurance company this year. And Geico is great for drivers with poor credit. So on average, Geico will actually cost you about $1,800 to $2,000 per year. And basically, Geico's competitive rates make it a strong contender for many types of drivers, especially those with poor credit. But its coverage options are somewhat limited. It doesn't offer new car replacement, gap insurance, ride share insurance, or a vanishing deductible. Okay. But the good thing is that with Geico, you have a very good digital experience. Okay. Although we think that its website could benefit from a search function to improve user experience. So basically, Geico has rates for good drivers. Those rates are lower than the national average. Low level of complaints made against Geico car insurance to state insurance departments, and low insurance cost also available for senior drivers ages 65 to 80. Now, the rates for drivers with a DUI are higher than average, and also Geico received an unexceptional grade of C minus from collision repair experts for its claims procedure. So just be aware of that. And Geico is a national provider, so they are available in all 50 states, including the District of Columbia. Okay, so overall, if you think about Geico, think about the fact that it is a mixed bag. Think about it. I mean, Geico spends a lot in advertising, but if you really look at the company itself closely, it's a mixed bag because opinions on Geico car insurance from its customers are mixed. Some appreciate its ease of use and find its offers competitive pricing and discounts for loyal customers and low-risk drivers. However, many express dissatisfaction about unexpected rate increases despite having clean driving records. Opinions on Geico's customer service vary, with some praising responsiveness while others saying that they are unhappy with its claims handling. So, something to really keep in mind. If you are looking for one of the best car insurance companies this year, I want you to think about Progressive. And Progressive can really help you in a lot of things. It's actually the best for drivers with a DUI, in our view. The average annual cost for good drivers is $2,000, $2,000 to $2,200. Okay. Progressive offers competitive auto insurance rates for good drivers, drivers who have caused accidents, and drivers with speeding tickets or a bad credit. It had the cheapest rates for drivers with a DUI conviction among the companies we actually analyzed. Okay. And Progressive's competitive rates span across age groups too, with lower than average rates for teens, young adults, and seniors. So that's really good. So Progressive actually is unique for its 3 accident forgiveness levels. So you have small accident forgiveness for claims up to $500. That's automatically included in most states. You can buy accident forgiveness for claims exceeding $500 if you've been with the Progressive for at least 5 years and have had no accidents or violations, or you can purchase benefits so that one accident is forgiven for a policy period. And Progressive's vanishing deductible is another attractive perk because it reduces your deductible over time if you have no accidents or violations. So this is really good. So what are the pros and cons here with Progressive? On the pro side, you can get a quote and buy a car insurance policy online. This company provides rideshare insurance, non-owner car insurance, and SR22 filings. Low level of complaints made to state insurance departments. No new car replacement coverage, and that's for the positive. I'm sorry, that's for the three are for the positive. No new car replacement coverage is a negative. Is a drawback. This insurance company received only a C grade for the last 4 years from auto repair experts for its collision claims process and progressive usage-based program. Snapshot may get you a decent discount, but your rates could increase instead of the other way around if your driving score is low. And Progressive says rates go up for 20% of drivers who actually use Snapshot. So something to really keep in mind. And Progressive is a national player. They are available in all 50 states as well as the District of Columbia. The last great car insurance company I want to share with you into this conversation is Westfield. So Westfield is great for a policy for family discounts. So policy discounts for families. The average annual cost for good drivers goes from 2,000 all the way to $2,300. And Westfield overall is just great. It's a great bet for families trying to rein in auto insurance costs. It has family related discounts. So, like for instance, you have a one for teenage drivers, the family discount, and one for adult children ages 22 to 29 who actually buy their own Westfield car insurance policies, the next generation discount. There's also a comparison discount if you buy your own Westfield auto policy and someone in your household already has one from Westfield. Okay, so this is really good. And basically, the Westfield has several programs. For instance, the Westpac package can be very convenient and money saving. Okay, really, it bundles car and homeowners insurance into one policy, giving you one bill and one shared deductible. So if one event damages your house and car, you don't have two deductibles to deal with. If you are a driver with a new car, you may appreciate Westfield's accident forgiveness, new car replacement, and gap insurance. Okay, and Westfield's usage-based insurance program, Mission Safe, provides actually an enrollment discount of 10%. Can you imagine that? 10%. 10%. And safe drivers, if you're a safe driver, you can potentially earn up to 40% at renewal. So that's kind of cool. And so overall, if you think about Westfield, the positives include the fact that costs for seniors 65 to 80 are competitive. There's also a senior discount for drivers age 65 or older who drive less than 3,000 miles a year. Okay, and Westfield received a high grade B for its collision claims process, and you have a very low level of complaints about Westfield car insurance made to state insurance departments. On the flip side, you have the highest average rate for drivers with a DUI among the companies we evaluated. No vanishing deductible, rideshare insurance, or SR22s, but this company is only available in 10 states in the Midwest. So they're not actually a national player yet, okay? So the states where they're available: Indiana, Illinois, Iowa, Kentucky, Ohio, Michigan, Minnesota, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, and West Virginia. In conclusion, the best car insurance companies this year include Travelers, Erie, Nationwide, USAA, Geico, Progressive, and Westfield. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.